An edition of the Mark Marauder Show, beating the market one trade at a time. If you're new to the Mark Marauder Show, it's an investment channel, helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. Alright, so I hope everybody is having a great day out there in the market. Some crypto news coming out, so this is the crypto show. Going to be talking about some of the crypto currencies on the watch list. Hope everybody's able to lock in profits as we continue this crypto rally uh, going on here this week. So, first, I want to talk about Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin is currently at $48,882 at the time of the stream. Their 1 hour, they're up 0.8%. On their 24-hour, they're up 4.61%. 7 day, they're down 0.95%. But overall, still looking bullish on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's been rallying just a little bit. I think it hit like 49,000 today. But overall, I'll say they're still bullish. Next on here, we have Ethereum, ticker sign ETC. They have had a nice bullish run today. Um, they are at $3,814 per coin. Overall, looking bullish on Ethereum as well. Their 1 hour, they're up 1.66%. 24-hour, they're up 12.83%. And on their 7 day, they're up 16.91%. So Ethereum having a nice little bullish run up for today, continuing their bullish run throughout the week. So Ethereum looking really nice overall. Next on here, we have Cardano. Cardano is bullish as well. Their ticker sign is ADA. They're currently at $2.86 per coin. Now, the news with Cardano, again, September 12th, they're going to be implementing smart contracts, so that's definitely exciting news for the crypto. On here, it says for the 1 hour time frame, they're up 0.95%. 24-hour, they're up 4.93%. And on the 7 day, they're up 3.93%. So, if you have any crypto you want me to go over, make sure you drop it down in the chat or in the comment section down below, and I'll try to add it to the watch list. So, speaking of Cardano, their founder, Charles Hoskins, just recently released a video that I think was very interesting, talking about his point of view on vaccine passports. So, that's kind of been a buzzword going around, vaccine passports, and how they're going to apply in the future, what platform could be used to distribute those. Him just giving his thoughts on uh, if Cardano would have a hand in helping develop some vaccine passport information. So I think this is a very good video. It is available on YouTube, but I do like to hear his thoughts on that, and it also helps to explain, where um, the mind of the Cardano team really is as far as implementation is concerned. So you can go on their Twitter page or go on his Twitter page at IOHK_Charles and then look at the video. Definitely has a lot of views. I retweeted it and hearted it. I think it was some really good information explaining, the Cardano platform and their plans moving forward to tackle this issue. So next on here, we have XRP. XRP is currently at $1.23. They're up 1.14%. On the 1 hour, 24-hour, they're up 6.48%. On the 7 day, they are up 4.25%. So overall, looking bullish on XRP. They were around I think 16 or 113 a while ago, but definitely having a nice little rally for XRP. Next, we have Doge, which is still bearish in my personal opinion. They're very stagnant at 29 cents. They've been at 29 cents for a while now, probably about 2 weeks. But overall, I'd say they are bearish, kind of oscillating between that 29-cent level, kind of maintaining 29 cents, not really going up or down too far from that 29-cent level. So on their 1 hour, they're up 1.79%. 24-hour, they're up 8.17%. And on their 7 day, they're down 0.19%. Overall, I'd say they're still bearish or stagnant. because they're at the same price point, around 29 cents. Next up, we have Solana. So Solana was bullish earlier this week. On the Monday stream, talked about Solana going up, and it was going up. Then I think it went to like 112 during the stream, but now it's kind of leveled off at 110.85, which is where it's currently is at. On the 1 hour, they're down 0.33%. 24 hour, they're up 3.80%, and on the 7 day, they're up 55.14%. So the 7 day definitely represents that increase that we saw earlier in the week because it had just happened, and so that 0.54% can be factored into the beginning of the week price movement. Next on here we have Matic, which is Polygon. They're at $1.48. Overall, they're up 2.10% in the 1 hour. 24 hour, they're up 11.64%, and 7 day, they're down 4.99%. Overall, I would say Polygon is still bullish, or Matic, which is the ticker sign. Definitely good project. I would say do some research on it and see what you think about it. Next, we have Ethereum Classic, which is at $68.56. Overall, I would say they are still bullish. On 1 hour, they're up 0.66%. 24 hour, they're up 10.26%. And on the 7 day, they're up 7.69%. So I think Ethereum Classic is still looking very bullish, but it is kind of stagnant at the 68, 61, or 62 price point. Next, we have VeChain, ticker sign VET, looking bullish on VeChain. They're at 13 cents. So a small rally, like a micro rally for VeChain. Their 1 hour, they're up 0.56%. 24 hour, they're up 13.85%. And on the 7 day, they're up 7.45%. So overall, I'd say still bullish on VeChain, but looking for some more momentum jumping in to this name. So VeChain definitely one that I'm looking at for a potential long-term one. Definitely gonna be looking at this one to see how it performs. I think it's a very interesting project with what they're doing for creating unique identification for different projects, taking those products and digitizing them. I think is a very cool path forward as far as creating unique IDs for products. So definitely do some more research. Some of that stuff is in their white papers. So I encourage everybody to go read the white papers of all of these cryptocurrencies out there. It'll definitely give you some great information on their tokenomics and then also their plans for the future. Next up here we have Algorand, ticker sign ALGO. They're up 0.60%. 24 hour, they're up 6.47%. And on the 7 day, they're up 8.69%. So overall bullish on Algorand. They're at $1.15. Next, we have Audius. They are $2.51, up 1.05% on the 1 hour. 24 hour, they're up 7.19%. And on the 7 day, they're down 8.59%. Um, Overall, still going to be looking at this one to see how it performs. I would say maybe a slight bearish pattern is starting up for AUDIO. Next up, we have Iotext, which is ticker sign IOTX. They're currently around 7 cents. Their 1 hour, they're up 1.24%. 24 hour, they're at 4.39%, and on the 7 day, they're down 0.72%. So overall, I'd say they're still bullish. If you look at the 30 day, they're up 256.58%. So still bullish on Iotex. Going to be looking at the 1 hour and 24 hour to see how they change. Next up, we have Radium, ticker sign RAY. They're at $11.43. In the 1 hour, they're down 0.04%. 24 hour, they're down 1.56%. And in the 7 day, they are up 61.10%. So overall, ticker sign RAY or Radium, going to be looking to see how they perform. That 7 day, they still are very bullish at 61.10%. So going to be looking to see how they perform as the market continues on. Next up, we have RSR for reserve rights. They are bullish. The moving average, I mean, not moving average, the price of them is at 0.048, so around 4 cents. The 1 hour, they're at 0.60% increase. At the 24 hour, they are at 7.41% increase. 7 day they're down to 11.01, so maybe looking at this one with some caution to see if it can rally back up for reserve rights. Next up, we have AMI or ECOMI in the NFT market. They're at 0.003, up 6.01% in the 1 hour, 10.58% in the 24 hour. And in the 7 day, they're up 13.77%. So, nice little bullish momentum going on for ECOMI. Next, we have Alchemy Pay, ticker sign ACH. Um, they're at 10 cents, so still very cheap with a pretty low market cap at 331 million. 1 hour they're up 2.08%, 24 hour they're up 8.30%, and the 7 day they are down 6.69%. So that's for Alchemy Pay. Next we have Clover, ticker sign CLV. They're at $1.77. 1 hour they're down 0.51%, 24 hour they're down 0.55%, and the 7 day they're up 13%. So 7 day looking bullish overall, despite this 1 hour and 24 hour. Next, we have Rari, which is for Rarible. They're at $26.15. Overall, I think they're still bullish, in my personal opinion. 1 hour, they're at 0.40%. 24 hour, they're at 1.84%. And the 7 day, they're down 29.26%. If you look at the 30-day Ferrari or Rarible, they're actually up 130.15%. So definitely looking bullish on Rari, in my personal opinion. So Rari is part of the NFT space. So they have a service where you can buy and sell NFTs, just like OpenSea. OpenSea has kind of gone up in popularity in the past couple of weeks, as well as NFTs in general. So I think any coin involved with NFTs would definitely be something to keep your eyes out on as people continue to promote NFTs. Going forward, still a fairly new, I guess, new to the public concept, not really a new concept in general. Non-fungible tokens kind of been around for a while, but the public is starting to get more and more articles of people talking about it. As time goes on, I think we'll see the price of Rari start to go up because of that. Next, we have MXC, ticker sign MXC. They are at 3 cents per coin, up 0.10%, and then up on the 1 hour, and on the 24 hour, they're up 2.35%. We can see on the 7 day, they're up 0.61%. So, going to be looking at for MXC if they continue this bullish run up. Next, we have Labs, which ticker sign is Labs. They're at 1 cent per coin. 24 hour, they're up 0.32%. 7 day, they're up 41.23%. So a nice little bullish run for Labs, and still very affordable at around 1 cent. Next, we have Pre-Search. So let's click on Pre-Search. Pre-Search overall looking bullish. We can see the 1 hour they're up 8.76%, 24 hour they're up 69.42%, and on the 7 day they're up 170.77%. So Pre-Search definitely looking bullish overall. If you look at their long-term chart, they did have a spike way back here around 37 cents. So we can see if they can try to go back and retest that level. Going back to the watch list, next on here we have Einsteinium, which is the last one on the list for Masari, but I still have a couple more to go over. We have Einsteinium on the bottom, ticker sign EMC2. They're down 2.23% in the 1 hour. In the 7 day, they are down 3.02%. But in the 24 hour, they're up 2.62%. So overall, pretty stagnant for Einsteinium, 0.05 or 5 cents. Is basically the price for Einsteinium. So going to be looking to see how that one performs as the market continues on. So next on here, I want to talk about Doge. A lot of people are following Doge. Doge token is growing in popularity. So definitely going to be looking at Doge. Ranked number 501 on CoinMarketCap. This is their current price, 0.0001477. They're up 10.24%. So overall, looking nice on that. Nice little bullish increase. If we go to the year to date, on them. They did have a little spike right here. We're going to look and see if they can jump back up to these all-time high levels. So Doge, definitely a very interesting project. They have a nice smart burn system, so they burn a lot of tokens as people buy tokens, which to me, Doge was kind of one of the first cryptocurrencies to do that, to have the smart burn system implemented. Then a lot of other cryptocurrencies kind of adopted that afterwards. And lastly on here we have Shiba Inu. So ticker sign SHIB, currently ranked at number 49 on CoinMarketCap. They're up actually 4.39%. So I know a lot of people out there hold Shiba Inu. They're on a nice little bullish increase. If we go to the year time frame, they did have a spike. This was around the May 21st. I mean the May 9th, May 9th, May 8th time frame. They had a nice little spike. But this is the current price, and they are starting to rally a little bit at this 4.39% increase. So definitely be looking to see how Shiba Inu performs as time goes on. You actually can mine Shiba Inu and a lot of these coins on here as well. If you're into mining, you just really need a CPU. Just go on Unmineable. It's a great source to start getting into mining. Just YouTube Unmineable. That'll get you started. Very interesting way how that works. But you will need a wallet address to transfer those tokens once you begin your mining journey. So make sure you go check that out. It's a great way to get your hands on some crypto, other than just putting money into these cryptocurrencies. There are a lot of different exchanges that you can also get some of these cryptocurrencies on. You can go on crypto.com, there's Coinbase, there's KuCoin, there's Kraken. I mean, the list goes on with available services that you can get your hands on a lot of these cryptocurrencies. You can also go on like PancakeSwap or Uniswap, but you'll have to have a wallet to link into that. The process is just a little bit different. Some of them you can trade fiat for crypto, and other ones you'll have to trade either Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain coin over for the crypto of your choice. So make sure you do some research on that. Overall, not really a difficult process to do that. But definitely, if you want to get your hands on some of these other cryptocurrencies, those are the two main options, or I guess three main options to go. Either mining it, getting it from an exchange, or putting some money onto a wallet and then converting it over on a swap service. All right, so good luck to everybody out there trading this week. Hope everybody has a great rest of the week, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching the stream.